Yeah, so my presentation is about the use of ground analogs to understand hypogravity environments. So that means gravity that is less than 1. So today we have a lot of data about what happens here on Earth at 1G. We have a little bit of data of what happens in microgravity at 0G, but we have really no data or very, very little data about what's happening in between. So these are the kind of things that I will be talking about and what kind of ground analogs we can use to try to mimic the responses that we would have in hypogravity environments.
When you want to design an artificial gravity space station, you typically want to use a spinning centrifuge, which creates a perception of gravity. And to allow humans to live in there, you need a certain radius, which is between several tens and several hundreds of meters. And there are understandable challenges in designing something this huge in Earth's orbit. So you want to minimize the number of rocket launches and minimize the amount of new technology that you need to develop to build something like this. The design that I'm suggesting achieves both of these targets.
So what I try to do is to bring together all these technologies. So starting from all the keywords that we have here in this Congress, artificial gravity, life support system, radiation protection. So my preparation was for that to bring this together, to have a solution available that we can work on. And of course to get the feedback from all the colleagues here on the tables that we finally can discuss what is maybe the best solution.
We want to live in space, and so we're thinking about habitats in space. However, to be able to create a habitat, you need a lot of supporting things. And my talk is about the architecture that you need to be able to provide all that support. And I, on purpose, will describe it in the way that you can do that by providing services, all kinds of services. And the interesting thing about that is that this implies that you can create a company that delivers those services, and that way you can make money by creating habitats in space. So, and when we have created all of those things, so all those services, and then we can create a habitat, and then finally we can go live in space.